In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The Deputy Minister of Finance and Administration of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs met with China's ambassador in Kabul. The Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments met with a delegation from Turkey's Director of Religious Affairs. And Ukraine attacks a Russian commercial vessel near Turkish shores. Welcome to today's news package. It's Wednesday, the 12th of Jumada Thani 1447, the 12th of August 1404, and the 3rd of December 2025. The news details. Dr. Mohammad Naeem, the Deputy Minister of Finance and Administration of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, met with Zhou Xing, the China's ambassador in Kabul, to discuss the recent incident on Afghanistan-Tajikistan border and ways to strengthen bilateral relations. Dr. Naeem expressed condolences regarding the recent border incident in Tajikistan in which Chinese citizens were killed, adding that investigations are ongoing. He described the attacks as an act carried out by enemies seeking to create distrust between the two nations. Meanwhile, the Chinese ambassador appreciated the Islamic Emirates' efforts and its serious measures in addressing the incident, stating that the perpetrators aimed to undermine relations between China and Afghanistan. Both sides emphasized the importance of continued cooperation and the expansion of friendly relations. Sheikh Nur Mohammad Saqib, the Minister of Guidance, Hajj and Endowments, met with the delegation from Turkey's Directorate of Religious Affairs led by Ansari Yanturk, the head of foreign relations of the Directorate. Minister Saqib, referring to the religious, cultural and historical ties between Afghanistan and Turkey, stated that relations between the two nations have further strengthened on basis of shared values. He praised Turkey's continued support for Afghanistan and stressed the need for expanding mutual cooperation. The Turkish delegation, while commending the progress of the Islamic Emirate, called for enhanced cooperation in the areas of Hajj, endowments, orphanages, and other related sectors. The news continuation. The Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation and Livestock stated that more than $120 million have been invested in the production of poultry feed, meat, eggs in Herat province's central district and rural areas. Based on the ministry, Herat has achieved self-sufficiency in the production of poultry meat and eggs with a daily output of 2.5 million eggs. Officials at Herat Agricultural Directorate report that a total of 800 poultry farms are currently operational across the province, providing employment for around 15,000 people. And finally, Al Jazeera has reported that Ukraine has once again attacked a Russian commercial vessel near Turkish shores. In accordance with the report, the Russian ship Mildoga 2 was transporting sunflower oil to Georgia. It is worth noting that recently Ukraine naval drones attacked 2 Russian oil tankers in the Black Sea. Meanwhile, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan has warned that the attacks on commercial vessels are a sign of further escalation in the ongoing war between Russia and Ukraine. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.